Hello guys and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how to block an unwanted email into your inbox. So maybe you have been receiving a message from me and you are tired of receiving that message and you want to block me. So subsequently, even if I send messages to you, it's not going to deliver to you. So assuming you are tired of email from Involve, okay, so you just click on him to open and you can come all the way to unsubscribe from emails from this. Maybe if you have subscribed to something, a newsletter or something, some website email, and they'll be sending you email, you can unsubscribe directly, or you can come all the way to these three dots to see more options. You just click on it and you can see you can block email from Involve. Okay, once you click on block, no messages can come from this person into your inbox. Let's try to block this guy because actually I've been receiving so many messages from him. So email address blocked. So you can see you have blocked hellomarketing.involve.asia. Okay, so you can move to spam. Okay, you can unblock if you want, but then you can move this message to spam, and the message is in spam right now. So you can come to spam and you will be able to see it there. Okay, so you click and you can see it at the top here. So henceforth, if you want to unblock email from Involve, you can just come over and you just come over here and say unblock email, and it's going to unblock him, and subsequent messages are going to be entering your inbox. Okay, so peradventure, if you change your mind, you don't want to block or you want to unblock a particular email, all you need to do is to still come to this setup over here. You can come to see all settings and you come to filters and blocked addresses. You click on this and you can see the list of all the addresses that you have blocked, and you can unblock them right away here. Just by clicking on this, you can unblock an email. So basically, this is how to block an email from an unwanted email from entering into your inbox. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.